Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Mabuhay, mabuhay, mabuhay everyone. So today is June 29th and I have a very busy day today because we are going to go to Amsterdam for a beauty consultation, and then after that we're going to go to Rotterdam. We are invited by our good friends. They are a couple and they're celebrating their birthday today, and so we're gonna go there and we're excited. Oh my god, ang Filipino food, Diyos mio, nakalibre na naman tayo ng pagkain mga kaibigan, kaya I'm so excited. So I have already put on my vitamin C and moisturizer and of course a sunblock. And now I'm just doing a little bit of makeup, my eyebrows, my mascara, and blush on and lipstick. And so yeah, I hope everything goes well with my consultation today for an upgrade para ma-RoboCop na daw. Oh my god, so excited. So hopefully everything goes well. So napaka-busy ng schedule natin. So, and of course, my favorite mascara, Nichitu. Walang katulad. Sa Watsons ko to siya nabili when I was in the Philippines. Talagang nag-stock ako kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. And very affordable. Kaya atak na kayo sa Watsons. And I think buy one take one ata to nung pagbili ko last March. O kaya nag-stock ang bayot. More. And today is a beautiful day. We have very beautiful weather. The sun is up and up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star ang sun today. Kaya masaya. Don't forget to, of course, apply sunblock. Kay naku, maberi wrong ang atong skin. Kaya sunblock is very important. Hindi talaga ako magaling mag-makeup. Kaya char-char lang ba, jama-jama na makeup. Yun lang. Tapos of course, ang lipstick. Andun pa ang asawa ko at pinick up pa yung nirentahan naming car kasi wala na kaming car. So nag-rent kami for today. So. Ayan, I love this lipstick or liquid chururut. Pinagsasabihan ako palagi ng aking kasama sa work na bakla, maglagay ka ng lip liner to make your lips more beautiful. Dahil mag 1 year na, wa pa rin ako bili ng lip liner. Kasi ewan ko ba, hindi ko bet. Kasi nga hindi naman ako, ma-makeup. Ano lang, drama-dramang makeup lang ba? And of course, my one and only earrings. Ayan. Ito kasi siya, hindi siya nagra-rust, hindi nag-change ang color. So it's really nice. I bought this sa Douglas, I think more than 2 years ago. And it's still like gold, eme gold, but not real gold. Ayun. And of course, that is it. So I styled my hair with my Babyliss curling iron or curling barrel chururut. And so ganyan na siya for the Latina edition. Char. Para may naman ang ating beauty. Emote. And so I'll show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit for today. Ayan. So diba? Latina, char. And we are on our way. So ayun na, the consultation went well. Pero Diyos ko, ang mahal magpaganda. Diyos mio, kibarbaridad. Daming gagawin. Char. So on the way to Rotterdam at ang traffic. So, good morning everyone. Mabuhay, mabuhay, mabuhay. So, ayun na nga, nalasing ang bayot. Nalasing ang bayot sa birthday. Kaya, ako, just me. Nagising na lang ako sa couch. And 3 a.m. Ay, hindi ko na alam paano kami nakauwi. Tawang-tawa ang asawa ko. Kaya magkape muna tayo. Huwag gayahin. Huwag gayahin ang maglasing. Okay? Inom moderately. Wag, just me. Hangover ang bayot. Wishing you all a beautiful day. Pahinga muna ang bayot.